Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we will draw the mandala art of Goddess Durga. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't because I upload mandala art related videos in this channel. So firstly, let's see what other things I use. So this one is the Sakura Jelly Roll pen and this one is the white and it's perfect for the white shade. Another one is a Uniball Signo Gold pen. You can find the link of every product in my description below, and the sketchbook is from the Brustro in the size A4.
So let's start making our mandala. And also ये जो रफ स्केच है इसको मैंने पहले ही पेंसिल से ड्रॉ कर लिया था. इससे क्या होता है थोड़ा सा ईजी हो जाता है एंड आपको अपनी ड्राइंग का एक रफ आइडिया मिल जाता है एंड फर्दर ऑन फाइन लाइनर से बनाना भी ईजी हो जाता है. In case if you wanted to know how to make the mandala grids and the basic patterns, so I have already uploaded the video on my YouTube channel previously, and I will provide the link in my description below and on the I button, so check them out.